You said what now, Chef?
That tastes like home.
It tastes like home right there. Yeah.
Damn.
Big Mama and them, huh?
Yeah, man. Let's go.
How that fluff
I
taste?
just want to order a cornbread. That's it.
Man, it made me feel like home. Like for real. Now all the cities I visit and all the states I go, I finally taste something that tastes like home. Like real.
B's got it, huh?
You
Absolutely.
see it, right?
Yeah. That's how good it is.
Fire.
Where y'all from?
First of all, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm 100 about yourself.
Good. How you?
I'm 100. I'm from Nashville.
Nashville.
This Tennessee.
Okay. I do know that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a banger, man.
It's banging.
Oh man, it's good.
So you want the side? You gonna get the side?
Dog.
Okay. All right. So the side will be $4.57.
Yes. Wow. I don't get wild a lot. Wow.
I told you about B's, man.
Man, you ain't lying. I wouldn't see if your standard was right. Think about my fish, I get some tartar sauce, some hot sauce. Wow. I don't even want to go to that barbecue place. I can just order from here.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. Man. Can I pick this up?
The picture?
Yeah. Hey. She left a tradition, bro. That's love.
You're welcome. You have a great one.
It's love. Man. Woo, I just met you through your food. Wow. So I'm a numbers guy. My birthday is 2/4. In order to be number one, you gotta recognize the sign to be number one. January is the first month. So you see the one in there. Also, 10 is my favorite number. You're gonna see like my daughter, April the 19th is when she passed. They had the 1 and the 9 together. It's 10. You can't make it up. I like this, bro. Like, real. Thank you for running.
So,
I want 100, man. Oh, man. Sir? So this ain't a cornmeal base, it's just like a flour. I'm talking about fish. Oh wow, I've never had it fried.
You guys need anything else?
Tartar sauce.
Sorry. I got you with that.
Yeah, we're gonna eat.
it's good, Chef.
Amazing, man. Like for real.
Gotta add that Joy Kitchen, huh?
I just enjoy to eat it.
Yes,
But next time I come to Greensboro or Durham, if I don't come to eat here, cancel my trip. It's gonna be in the contract that I must eat a beef. It's a must. So you get back to North Carolina, I gotta eat here.
Absolutely.
Wow.